Electric field intensity due to a group of point charges. Electric field intensity at a point due to group of point charges. This is vector sum of electric field intensities due to individual charges at the same point. For example, if we have to calculate electric field intensity at this point due to charges Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, then we calculate electric field intensity at P due to Q1, we calculate electric field intensity at P due to Q2, due to Q3, due to Q4, and then add them vectorially. Therefore, electric field intensity at a point due to group of point charges is equal to vector sum of electric field intensities due to individual charges at the same point. For this, we calculate electric field intensities at point P due to individual charges and then add them vectorially. That is, total electric field intensity at P is E1 vector plus E2 vector plus E3 vector plus so on En vector. E1 is the electric field intensity due to charge Q1 at P, E2 is the electric field intensity at P due to charge Q2, E3 is the electric field intensity at P due to Q3, En is the electric field intensity at P due to Qn. We know that as electric field intensity E is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square. Therefore, E vector will be summation Qi upon 4 pi epsilon naught Ri square Ri cap. Or we can take 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught outside. Summation I is equal to 1 to n. Summation I is equal to 1 to n Qi upon Ri square Ri cap. Ri cap is position vector of point P with respect to charge Qi. अगर Q1 के विद रिस्पेक्ट टू P का पोजिशन वेक्टर R1 होगा, Q2 के विद रिस्पेक्ट टू P का पोजिशन वेक्टर R2 होगा, Q3 के विद रिस्पेक्ट टू R3 होगा, तो ith के विद रिस्पेक्ट टू Ri होगा. Ri is the position vector of point P with respect to charge Q1, and Ri is distance of point P. Ri is distance of point P from charge Qi. If we take that charges, if we assume that charges Q1, Q2, Q3, they are located in vacuum at position vector R1 vector, R2 vector, R3 vector and so on, and we have to calculate electric field intensity due to this group of charges at a point P whose position vector is R0 vector. Then net force due to all these group of charges at P, this is given by F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Let us suppose that at point P test charge is Q naught. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught summation I is equal to 1 to n Qi Q0 upon Ri0 cube Ri0 vector. Taking Q0 outside, Q0 4 pi epsilon naught summation I is equal to 1 to n Qi upon Ri0 cube Ri0 vector, and we may also write it as Q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught summation I is equal to 1 to n Qi. Ri0 is R0 minus Ri vector modulus cube into r0 vector minus ri vector. Therefore this is F, as electric field intensity is force expressed by unit positive charge placed at that point. Therefore E is Q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Q नोट से ये डिवाइड हो जाएगा, ई एफ को जब Q नोट से डिवाइड करें तो यहाँ पर 1 हो जाएगा. समेशन आई इज इक्वल टू 1 to n क्यू आई मॉडुलस r0 वेक्टर माइनस ri वेक्टर होल क्यूब इंटू r0 वेक्टर माइनस ri वेक्टर. द डायरेक्शन ऑफ E is given by Polygon law of vectors. Direction of E can be calculated by using Polygon law of vectors. Now electric field intensity due to continuous charge distribution. As we have derived in our earlier topic, force on a small test charge Q naught at point P whose position vector is r naught vector due to linear charge distribution of density lambda ri is, force on a small test charge Q naught at a point P with position vector r naught due to linear charge distribution with linear charge density lambda ri is F naught. F is equal to Q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught integration lambda ri dl upon summation upon modulus r naught vector minus ri vector modulus whole cube r naught minus ri. As electric field intensity is force experienced by unit positive charge, therefore E is equal to F upon Q naught. Therefore E becomes, इस सारे को Q naught से डिवाइड कर दें तो 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught बच जाएगा. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught इंटीग्रेशन lambda ri dl r0 minus ri modulus cube r0 vector minus ri vector. Similarly, electric field intensity due to surface charge distribution with surface density of charge sigma ri. Electric field intensity due to surface charge distribution having surface density of charge sigma ri, this will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught sigma ri ds upon r0 vector minus ri vector modulus cube into r0 vector minus ri vector. Similarly, electric field intensity due to volume charge distribution having volume density of charge rho ri, this will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught rho ri dv upon r0 vector minus ri vector modulus whole cube into r0 vector minus ri vector.